Can you become an instant author in 2 hours? Well, I'm going to share with you how my template client turned a planner template into a published book. You are going to want to tune into today's video. Hey guys, my name is Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, we talk about how to create multiple streams of income in digital publishing. If you love this type of content, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now let's get into today's content. So you guys don't know already, I have promoted, or I have been selling this template bundle. Is 7,500 templates. The templates consist of planners as well as journals. Now, this entire bundle, I actually purchased it from a young lady on TikTok, and when she was promoting it, she was letting me know, you can resell the bundle. So I said, okay, cool, but yes, of course I want to resell it, but I do want to actually use these templates in my business, because that's one of the things that I do as a digital publisher. I create low content books such as planners and journals for women, especially women that are in business, women that are busy and they want to build a low content book brand but don't have the time to design or don't have the know-it-all to design. So that's where She Writes Digital Hub comes into play. But one of my students, well, slash my husband, he actually purchased the templates from me, and he decided he wanted to create him a journal. It's like a journal planner in his own business. And he sat down for 2 hours. So it was 2 hours. He took one of the templates and he redesigned it. He just added some elements to it, and he made it a totally different product so that he can sell in his business. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. But this is the 7,500 templates right here. Before I'll show y'all his, this is what's included. Okay, so here are the templates. These are different. They're different areas like personal development, business bundle, manifestation bundle. You have financial bundle. You have the pregnancy bundle, social media bundle. You have the home property bundle, health and wellness bundle, mental health bundle. The other bundles, you have the school bundle. You have a whole lot of planners, as well as some different one pagers as well. The one pagers, you can use these for freebies. You got 80 plus freebies in here that you can give away. So all of that is right in here just to give you a sneak peek inside the bundle. It is 7 pages. I do have a link in the description. If you purchase from me, you do get an opportunity to join my Telegram community as well. We're building that Telegram community with other creators that want to leverage this bundle. Okay. So if you see it on the internet, it's the same bundle. I just sell it different. Okay. All right. So this right here is the abundance journal. Let me show it to you here. It's right here under manifestation. Right here, the abundance journal. Okay. So this is right here. This in Canva. So this is what it looks like. So this is what Anthony did. He took this right here. I thought I had his pulled up, but let me go on my computer and pull his up as well. That's not it. All right. All right. So he took that and he turned it into this. Okay. He took this right here. This right here. Okay. This is one of the templates in the bundle. He took this right here. Some of the stuff he omitted, but I'm going to show you the details. Okay. So I'm going to show you the details. And this is what you will need to do. Now, I'm going to tell you, in the bundle, there are some templates in here that they're pretty good. There are some that I don't think that are, good. But at the end of the day, my biggest suggestion is that you make changes. The great thing about this bundle, or the great things about having these templates, is that it gives you a great starting point. It gives you an amazing starting point, because that was one of the questions that I asked Anthony. I was like, well, since it took you about 2 hours to go from this to this, how many, do you think having the templates would have been, beneficial? And he said, yeah, I needed the templates because the templates gave him that, it gave him that foundation to start off. So when you get these templates, this is what I tell my students. You, it's not for you to get it and just say, okay, I'm done and over with. I do want you to make changes. I highly suggest that you do. Okay. Now there's gonna be people that don't listen to me. Okay. And they just go ahead and just publish it as is. That's fine. I realize that I'm talking to the 1% of people that are going to listen, and they're going to say, you know what, let me make these changes. So this is what Anthony created right here. So he added, what he did was he added a picture in the background. You can see he kept some of the same fonts. Like, for example, he kept that font. He just made it a different color. Of course, he has different words. There's his name there. He added an introduction. So as you can see over here, this one just starts off with basically the journal part. But he said, you know what, I want an introduction. So he made an introduction. And then he has his daily abundance mantra. So he really made this him for his brand. So now what we're going to do is, if you see here, he kept the thought patterns here, and he, you change up some of that wording. So I'm just going to kind of go back and forth just a little bit, as you can see. And we're going to upload this to Amazon KDP, and we're going to work on the cover because he wants it printed. Okay. So there's a difference when you make a journal like this, and this is a PDF. So he can sell this as a PDF. So that means his customers will get it as a PDF. So I think he wants to go beyond that. He actually wants to sell it as a printed book. So we're going to take the cover, and we're going to make a back cover, and we're going to upload it for print. So the next time I'll do another video when we get the printed version, so you guys can see it. Okay. So I really want to, that's why it's important for me to do these type of videos so that you can see what you can do. So he added scripture in with here. He has manifesting wealth. I think that was one of them. Yeah. So he kept the manifesting wealth in there, but he had added his own questions. Well, those are about the same questions there. So some of it, some of the content he kept, and some of it he didn't. He added his own. Okay. As you can see, he added his own pages like this. Okay. With the scripture. This one is about manifesting your dream home. Manifesting a home. I think that was one of the templates right there. It is. So he kept that, changed the coloring. So as you can see the difference in the coloring, you can see the difference of the font. So he uses a different font in his business. So he changed up the font and changed up the colors. And this is what I mean about making it look different and a little better. Okay. Not saying that you have to make everything completely different, but you want your stuff to stand out. Okay. You want it to stand out. As you can see, my dream home, this page right here was not even in this. That's something that he actually created. Okay, I'm going to scroll through here because you don't see anything like that. So that's something that he created. So this is what I do know, is that when you get into that creation mode, you're going to start thinking, wait a minute, maybe I can add this and add that. That's the great thing about Canva, is that you can add pages, you can delete pages. So when he went in here and was, making those changes, if he saw a page he didn't want, he could just hit delete. Okay. Or if he saw a page, he wanted to add more than one, he just hit copy or duplicate page. Okay. That's so easy for you to do. So I'm going to keep scrolling. You got edit money blocks, manifesting money. There go the checks. I thought I seen that in here. Let's see. Or is that something that he created? It seemed like I seen those checks. Let me scroll down. I saw perfect day. Okay, there go the check. So he kept that. Okay. And something else he said that he did too, he removed the universe, because we're Christians, so we don't use the universe. We use God. So however, but if you use universe, leave that. That's what you use. But he removed that. He put Heaven's Bank. As you see, this one says the Universe Bank. So see, get your creativity flowing, and it gives you that, that foundation where he doesn't spend a whole day creating this. Okay. It looked like it could be, but he didn't. A lot of this was already done for him. He just made it his own. Okay. So I'm going to just keep scrolling, and I'll let you guys know like the process when we go through the upload into KDP, baby. I'll do a whole nother video when I upload it to KDP. That's something that he wants me to do. You know, of course, I'm the publishing wife. So of course he's gonna want me to do that. He's like, that's not my area of expertise, you know. So we're gonna get his cover together. We'll probably do that today so we can get sample copies and things like that. So I just wanted to share with you guys what he did and what you can too. Like, this is something you can do. Like, you can take, and this is not a bad template. Like, I'm not saying this is bad. I think this is a great start. This is a great start. Like, the cover is already there. So it's like, that's what he did. He's like, let me find a picture. I'm going to put it over here. That's exactly what he did. And it didn't take him no more than 2 hours. So now he's going to basically, you can become an instant author. Like, you can create your own journals or planners, or you could create journals and planners for other people. So say, like, you know, one of the ways I was telling you guys in the last video, how you can, you know, make money from these templates. You could be a freelancer. And that's one of the services that me and Anthony are going to partner on, is that he's going to have people that, you know, want us to help boost up your template. So if you know that you want to sell it for your brand and you're like, you know, I'm not really designing. I'm a little designer, but Anthony is the really designer person. He actually designed my website. So he used to do design work as a profession way before he got into the financial industry. So this was, he's using his skill of design to make things look better. So we're going to partner to do a service where we can help individuals who want to have something like this. We will allow you to choose the template. So you will, you know, choose the template that you want. And we're basically, it's like before and after. It seems like it's a show like that. And it's coming to my mind. I just can't think of it. You know how they will, you know, they'll have the lady to come in that looks like she needs her hair done and she needs a makeover. And then after the makeover, so maybe we'll call it book makeover or something like that, a book makeover service. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about that. But there's a show, and y'all tell me in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. I know that there were plenty of shows out there like that where you can, you know, there's somebody come in and they look crazy and then they come out looking like a whole different person. Yeah. So if you notice here, as I was scrolling, he has a lot of these daily gratitude. So what he did was he took the page, and I think that's a page in here. Let's see if there's a daily gratitude page, or he might have took one of these other pages. Let me see. He probably took one of these other pages and made a daily gratitude. Or was it that one up there? Let's see. It might have been this page. Yeah, it's this page right here. He took it. I saw the 10 affirmations. He had that. Let me see. Maybe that was it. Oh, it might have been this one. Yeah, here you go. Daily gratitude. So he took this page and made it like this. And then all he did was repeat the pages. So he repeated the pages. This is a total of 103 pages. Okay. 103 pages. So 103 pages is going to get him a nice size book. He also has, let me slow down. So he also has the monthly gratitude right here using this. I think I saw that right here. So you still use some of the same pages, just make it your own. Make it you. He made some pages of that. And then he has inspiration. So he did that. Podcasts, books, songs, videos, courses, audio. Living in the overflow. That's a page he created. Overcoming fear. New reality. He did that. That's a page I know he created. What your new reality is when you're visualizing yourself being a different person. And that was it. And then he has about the author page. I'll try to get him to put his picture back here, but we're gonna put it on the back cover. Okay, so we're gonna put that on the back cover. You get to see a little bit of our story and how we basically we use these principles anyway. You know, living in the overflow, we use these things that we I know personally we both do and we're incorporating with our children is we use this journal. We might not use it how like step by step like this, but that's how we got to where we are using these same principles, okay? Especially as Christian people. So this right here, back here, it's just a journal. So he just made lines to get us all the way at the end. Okay. So I wanted you guys to see this example and I really wanted you to see the possibility. Like I wanted you to see how you can do this too. Like you can really do this too. You can, when you sit down, give yourself 2 hours, 2 hours, and you can create a nice, beautiful project, a nice, beautiful book. And if you're not an author already, creating journals and planners make you an author. So this is exciting. So you have any questions below, let me know. If you are like interested in low content book publishing, maybe there's something you want to do. You want to publish low content books, especially if you're a woman that is in business, you don't have time for the design, go over to shewritesdigitalhub.com. I have the link in the description and I have journals. I have a couple of productivity planners. We're gearing up in our planners for like mid September as we going into 2025. And but we do have that available here. If you want to purchase the 7,500 bundle, I have that at She Writes Digital Hub too. That's there, but it's also linked in the description as well. You can purchase it. And again, the great thing about the bundle is that I want you to use it. Now, if you decide I don't want to do that, I just want to sell I just want to make money selling the bundle, you can do that. It comes with resale rights, which you can take what I have giving you in the I have the a resale portion inside of when you download, the plan. I have that part inside of there here in my PayHip account. So if you download it and you say you just want to resell it, well, I give you the tools to resell. Okay. So that is all. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Okay. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.